Hello friends, welcome to a new video of Bhargav's World. So today I'm going to show you something very interesting. You must have drunk water in a water bottle, but have you ever eaten that water bottle? Now I will show you a product in which you can eat the whole water bottle. This means that you can eat water. This is how. So this company called Stepping Rocks make water bottles with brown algae which are totally degradable and are edible. So you can just remove the skin of that and pop it right into your mouth and you'll feel the water. You can see the reaction. Oh yes, now because of this you can actually find a change in our society, because every year 1 billion water bottles are dumped into the sea. For what? For nothing, just a pollution to increase. So this company called Stepping Rocks is making a major change. It is going to soon be released in the market. I hope you will all buy it. Thank you.